Hey there everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to pick this LAI group padlock 6-pin, just given to me by a friend last night, so I haven't really had too much time to mess around with it, but let's give her a shot.
You do not understand how bad it is. You do not understand the shame. You do not understand what people will do to us. I just lost my mother. I could not lose me again. That's so
Family is everything.
She made a complaint about that day, but I still think she's hiding something.
Feeling it give it a little bit here. Starting to go. Clock usually gives me a little bit of trouble. First 6-pin I've ever encountered. So bear with me here. Should be able to pop her open for you.
You don't understand. I would never hurt Miguel's mother. She was nice to me. She was trying to accept me. But Miguel's uncle made her feel bad for that. People like him make it impossible for us. I don't have acceptance.
Why don't you follow Miguel to his house? Why are you watching over her home?
Miguel and I had a fight that day. He was very upset. He got drunk. He was going to his family celebration, and I was afraid for him. I heard the trouble in my car with his uncle. What'd you say? Miguel did not do it. Is that what you want me to turn against him? I won't. He did not do it.
No, that's not what I asked. You're outside the house watching. So what did you say?
There we go.
Nothing. Some children playing, a woman.
What woman?
On the street.
Oh, sorry for how long that took, guys, but there you go. LAI group 6-pin padlock.
Maybe 40s or 50s.